Welcome to the Optimum CAD solution. I am Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again, we'll start our free online course that is Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. Today, we are going to see this plastic cover. So, this is the plastic cover 3D model. Today, we are covering plastic part design, uniform wall thickness for this part, rib addition, snap feature addition, draft analysis, and tooling direction for this part. So this is our drawing for the today's task. So without wasting time, we'll open the CATIA and we'll start for the modeling. So as usual, we'll take the origin point and axis system. So those are the dimensions. So we'll start from 128 by 53 square. So we'll draw the rectangular with the dimensions of 128 and 53. So we'll go into the surface design, generative surface design, and we'll take the sweep command, drafted sweep. We have to provide the draft direction, and the draft is of 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 degree, it means we have to make a 5 as it is a symmetric one. So provide whatever the correct direction. So you can see this is the 18 and we have to do and follow that curve at the top side. So we will provide 20 as it is. So let us start for the top profile, that is the circular cut. So here we have drawn one circle. The radius is 250, it means diameter is a 500. And the dimensions of a 18 is given from the bottom side. So we'll just provide that 18 and we have to trim this surface. It means by using this curved surface, we will trim the base rectangular surface. So let us trim, and top side is get removed and this get filled with the curved one. So now we'll move for the next part. Bottom rectangular portion, it is of 150 by 70 So as usual, we have to follow the same process, rectangular with the desired dimensions. So provide the dimensions, fill the surface, and again we'll trim the surface. So here again we'll use the sweep command, and we have to design the bottommost part. Provide the as same 5 degree draft angle over there. Ensure the draft direction. So here we can see it is inverted, so we have to do like outside draft. So we'll just reverse the direction. Look at it is a outside draft. So from drawing, so we'll complete the outermost profile, that is the base profile. So same way follow the dimensions for this also. We'll draw the rectangle. So provide the details of the dimensions. So we'll confirm the dimensions. So it is at the bottom side 173 by 93 and we'll provide the radiuses during this stage only, because further there is no any additions. So we'll provide the 20 which is mentioned in the drawing. So same way we will fill the profile. We'll use the trim command. Outside, yes. Now here the base of that particular cover is get completed. Now we'll do the further additions of a rib and all these things. So we are providing the radiuses at the corner. First of all, we'll join all the curves, and we'll provide the corner. So topmost is a 5 mm and bottom is a 10 mm. So small radiuses for the corners like zero point 0.5, 1.5. So we'll provide here as a 1 mm. Okay. Let's move towards the next part of the design. So here you can see the base part is get completed. Now the feature addition is pending. So at the topmost there are the six openings of these dimensions. So we'll start for designing of for particular topmost openings. As usual, select the plane, start for the sketching. So we'll draw the profile, elongal rectangle. This is the 2.5 mm radius, that is the 5 mm, and we'll provide the remaining dimensions. This is of 47 mm. This 20 mm mirror, that's why we'll provide 10 mm here. And the distance from center to the center line of the slot, it is nothing but the 17. So you can see this is the dimensions, and we'll make a mirror command here. After then we'll use the pattern command. So we'll extrude the surface of a slot. Then we'll use the pattern command for the three parts of the equidistance of 17 mm with the direction of a y, which is has shown. Now the six slots or a holes are created. Now we'll do further process. So we have to the distance is like 3 mm, that's why we'll offset the base curve surface for the 3 mm, and further we'll do the split, trim and other surface operations. So we'll start for the split command. Okay, for remaining part also we need to do the split. Okay, so at the next we'll make sure like all the six are get joined. So we'll do first join before next trim or anything. Okay, we have to cancel this, cancel. Okay, so successfully we have trimmed everything. Now we have to split everything, and we have to trim with the base cover surfaces. So before that we'll join everything and we'll start for the trim. So here inner surfaces are get trimmed, and now this is the final product. Okay, so let's move towards those are completed. Now it's rib. So ribs are basically added for strengthening purpose, and before that we'll add the whatever the radius is over there. So before rib we have to convert this part into the solid. So we'll enter into the part design. This is the we have taken the body. As usual, whatever name you require you will just give. So it is nothing but the base solid body or a thickened body. So base cover thick. So we'll apply the thickness, and the thickness is 1.5 mm. So here 1.5 mm inward direction, yes, everything is okay. We'll do the thickness, yes, successfully our part get thickened. Now we can see here. So now we'll provide the radius for this corner. Okay, yes. So let us start for the rib. So basically ribs are added for any particular plastic part, uh, for providing the strengthening for uniform wall thickness, as we our part is having 1.5 or 2 1.8 thickness. So let us draw the ribs. We'll draw the profile of a rib, and the distance of a center of a rib from the part center is 17 So here you can see, this is the 17 okay, and that's 1.5 thickness of a rib we have to design. Oh, before that, take the body. So I have missed, I will repeat it. So this is the rib. So our sketch we need to remove in the new body. Let us start for the pad. Yes, so for this, we have drawn only a single line, but we apply the thickness over there. So 1.5 thickness, give the dimensions. Bottom side it is towards to the end. At the top side, you can provide the 18 or a 20 So we'll provide the draft, usual 0.5 give the draft direction. Okay, the material is adding, so we have to reverse the draft direction. Okay, now the material get removed. Yes, so this is nothing but our draft direction for today's part. So we'll pattern for the three lines or a three pads. Then we'll do the next rib. So those are the horizontal ribs are completed. We'll see for the vertical. So the dimension is, you can see 2020, and it is from middle 10, so it's 50 as usual. We'll do the pad thickness, everything. So try to follow whatever process or steps I have shown. Oh yeah, here also I have missed to add the new body. So let us will add the new body. Maybe it is not converting. So okay. So from insert, okay, from insert new body, and we'll transfer that pad into that. Maybe sketch is there, but no issue. So again we'll do the draft, addition of a draft, this for this particular rib, and then you will use the pattern command. So yes, the material is removed. Now use the pattern command. Pattern of a 20 into 5 ribs. Direction, yes, 1 2 3 4 5, yes. Okay, so here the basic ribs are get completed. Now for the boolean operation is pending. So we'll first of all we'll add the both ribs into a single rib body. After then, we have to copy the base body, and we have to copy paste as a result with link, and we'll add the positive, whatever the thickness we require for the rib. So base body get height. So here we have to make an intersection, so that we'll add the rib. So ribs are at inside, so maybe it is 1 rib. So we'll add a positive side thickness considering inside area. So this is the inside area, and now we'll intersect this body to the rib body. So here the intersection of a ribs get completed with the 1 positive thickness from the inside, and here is the look. So finally we have to add all the bodies, so like base body and this final rib body we have to add. So we'll give the final body, add both of the body into the our final product. So here you can see the ribs are get added. So most of all our component is get completed. You can see here. Now only the snapping feature is pending, as this is the plastic component, it gets snapped on the whatever the base is there. So we'll add the snapping here. So first of all, we'll take the plane. It is a 50 mm away, and let us start to the drawing the basic sketch of the snap. So let us take the references. Okay, yes, those are the references. Is not required. I will just delete it. Okay, so we'll start for the. This is the snap. Yes, so we'll start. So this is very small kind of a sketch. So while we are starting, just provide whatever the basic first dimensions, and according to that, we'll draw the rough. It means rough profile, and after then we'll provide whatever the dimensions. Okay, so this is first of all we'll see how it is. Okay, yes. So this is the rough sketch. Now further we'll give the dimensioning or a constraining for this particular sketch. So this total is, so first of all I will add the dimensions. This is the 15 degree Celsius, oh sorry, 15 degree. By mistakenly I'm continuing doing like degree as a Celsius, sorry for that. So this is 0 0.5. This angle is of 35 degree. Then okay, no, this is a 7.5. Okay, so we'll provide it as a 7.5. Yes, 7.5. And this is the 1 mm, and this angle is 110 degree. This is the 110. Yes, so this point is 1 mm. And now this throughout is okay, this is bending only. This is the one. Yes, we have to close the profile. So our basic sketch completed. Will same way we'll pad for this, then we'll mirror. Okay, and there are the three LH side 3 and RS side 3. So basically we have to first of all we'll mirror this. Again I have missed, like I need to insert this in a new body. Okay, I will just shift this pad into the new body. We'll provide the name as a snap here. So this sketch is not able to change, but okay, no issue. Snap snap, yeah. So now mirror towards the center plane, and after then pattern for the 3 with the equidistance of a 50. 50 mm. So here almost all the snaps and reefs, slots, basic sketch, basic surfacing and the part is get completed. Okay, so this is our final look. We'll do the draft analysis. I know that there are 0.5 mm draft for the snap and top cover is pending, but still you will just check the how to do the draft analysis for this part. Okay, so this is the draft analysis. First of all we have to set the draft direction. So this is nothing but our tooling direction. So today we have completed this plastic design, part design, then addition of a rib, addition of a snapping feature, then the draft analysis and tooling direction. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Do not forget to share and like.